What is the 21-day rule? What does it do? How does the belief acceptance period of the subconscious, defined as the 21-90-day rule, help you establish good habits and a better life? We all want to form a habit in our business world, in our hobbies, or in our personal life. One of the most popular ways to build habits is the 21-90 rule. The rule is pretty simple. Focus on a personal and professional goal for 21 days. After 3 weeks, chasing this goal becomes a habit. Once you get into this habit and continue to do it for another 90 days, so 3 weeks, and then you can keep something for 90 days. It then becomes a permanent lifestyle change. As you know, getting used to something is a situation that occurs in our minds in 20 days. For example, when we start to drive, we constantly think about the location of the gear, the brake, or the signal. But after a certain time, our brain connects it to auto. In other words, it becomes a habit acquired as a result of repetition. So what is the 21-day rule? Attempts to change habits using only willpower only work for a short time, and then old habits are returned. Because when the conscious and the subconscious are in conflict, the winner is always the subconscious. You may consciously want to quit smoking, but as long as there is a positive record about smoking in your subconscious, even if you quit smoking for a while by using your will, you will start again after a while. The conscious mind can consciously perceive 9 thoughts per minute, but the subconscious mind processes 2.3 million pieces of information per minute. It is under this consciousness that certain of the beliefs of life experiences of positive and negative habits. You can't change a habit by trying to get rid of it, but you can create a new habit. It is more difficult to destroy bad habits than to learn something new. It takes 21 days of non-stop repetition to establish a new habit. Because it takes 21 days for the new habit to become permanently established in the mind and in the cellular unity, habits are gained over and over again. In his new habit, the permanent neural network highway in the mind is formed by repeating 21 days to create. Your mind and our muscles automate what is repeated. You're not thinking about brushing your teeth, walking, or tying your shoes, are you? In your individual development journey, you need to give your subconscious a certain maturity period. Think of this as the incubation period. What you should not forget is that you must complete this 21-day incubation period without any interruption. Now we have determined what the 21-90 rule is. So what should it be used for? While flossing every day is a good goal, you need to do something every day that dramatically improves our quality of life. There needs to be something special that can be done every day. Wherever you are, here are some potential goals to follow with the 21-90 rule. Being positive every day. One of the challenges many of us have is staying positive, but there's a way to stay focused. Find something noteworthy positive every day, and write it down. It could be a little victory at work, a good grade in the exam, it can even be an incredible comeback of the football team you love, taking a step towards any work that you have postponed for a long time. Write something for 21 days, you can repeat it sometimes, but it's better to focus on something different and current. After doing this, continue for 3 months. You can write more than one thing per day, but remember that you need at least one. Life will probably start to look much more beautiful and positive. You will find that negative things will not drag you down like they used to. Find 3 things in your life that you think we need the most help with. Focus. Find the 3 things in our life that require the most work in your relationship, stress level, financial situation, or health. Focus on what's most important to you first. Work a little every day. Always do something to lead you towards that goal. At the end of 3 weeks and 90 days, you can switch to all 3 and repeat the process. You will find yourself making progress without getting tired. Find a joyful job for just 5 minutes a day. We all need an escape, but it needs to be short and sweet enough not to distract from our other efforts and responsibilities. So try to find something that only takes 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes each day. But it should be something you can look forward to every day. Your 5 or 10 minutes hunger may be to stroll through a beautiful garden. It could be scribbling or making small notes in a notebook that no one has ever seen. It can be small conversations with a friend who always has the right thing to say. There is an almost endless list of possibilities for this purpose. Remember, most other things in life can wait 5 minutes. So focus on the goal, take action, and enjoy the victory.